It is, and it is not, necessity which drives her to walk to work each morning, to walk in this world where a lack of a license is a source of secret shame. Perhaps if she had a lick of sense or a bus token, she would not be here now in the seventh hour of this raw weather day, a solitary figure sloshing along the sidewalk, her flimsy umbrella pointing not toward the sky, but held like a makeshift shield against the stream of headlights glaring through the murky mist. For is always one vehicle unable to resist, swerving into the puddles as if to command the water to rise, to splatter such a likely target. Soaked and shivering, the pedestrian in the rain pauses to ponder the white foam issuing from the knees of her drenched black pants, an external manifestation of her rabid rage, or just not enough time spent in the rinse cycle.